Alrighty, just doing a quick little video here. Got a couple lobster chillers. Those are chiller barrels. Those are the air conditioning units, but they work for refrigeration down to 40 degrees. So you got a direct expansion loop here, liquid line TXV going into the barrel, coming out to the suction line, TXV equalizer. So these are two 5-ton 3-phase units, and they're so this one is off on overload. As you can see, condenser fan's running. That's a major indicator. With no compressor, that's a major indicator of that the compressor's off on overload. And also you can go to your contactor, put your meter on ohms. You put your meter on ohms and you can check continuity across the load side of the contactor. So between we're just starting to get continuity, so this compressor should come on shortly. Got continuity there. Actually, no, we don't have continuity. That's because I think it has something to do with the condenser fan motor running. So we'll just shut that off for a second, and I'm just gonna go from terminal 1 to terminal 2 here, and we got an open winding, so that means the compressor's off and overload. So you go between terminal 1 and 3, and we've got continuity. So we got an open winding. We just gotta wait. Usually I get a hose or some or a bucket of ice or something. But right now the compressor doesn't feel too hot, so I have a feeling it's about to come on any minute now. I found this unit. It hasn't ran in a few years, I said, and got a leak here. So I pressurized it. They got a leak right here, and the terminals in the compressor blew off completely. So we're gonna have to get a new unit for this one. And I got this freezer up and running the other day, and it was just the evaporator fan wasn't coming on, so I had to jump out the coil sensor. I just left the jumper on it, so and also it just needed a little 404. So